I did a video a while back about a roller barrel, and there's a couple things that maybe I should address here. One of the questions that come up is, why not steel? The area we live in, we don't have good access to good steel barrels with the metal band ring on the top. So plastic is what we have, and that's what we work with. There's some benefits to plastic. It's light, it's easy to work with, but there's also some issues. One of my viewers asked if we ever have bears spin the lids off. And we do. We do have one bear in one stand that likes to spin the lids off and push the barrel out into the forest and clean us out. So my first instinct on that was to drill some holes and tap some screws in. But then we also have another bear at another stand that gets quite aggressive and actually breaks out the tops of these. So my solution, I think, is going to be I put a hole through the top, and I put a hole through the side, and it's kind of the meatiest part of the barrel, the strongest part of the barrel. And then I just looped it through. So my hope is it'll eliminate two problems. One, spinning the top off, because obviously now it can't. And the second thing is hopefully it won't be breaking our barrels. So let me know what you think, and if you have any better ideas than this, let me know.